Hi everyone, this is Anurag here, and now just I want to show you our automatic sieve grading machine. You can see behind of me. I will just rotate the camera for you. You can see. Actually, just now we completed the installation about this grading machine, and they already put the shrimps in that lifting one container. Shrimps is moving up from the lifting one conveyor, and the grading processing I will show you. The shrimps is nicely moving to the lifting 2. Here one small container, then dropping down, and from there to second conveyor, that shrimps is currently moving to the grading section. You can see the water springing in the top, and this is our touch panel. You can operate. This is manual and auto mode. This is now running by the auto mode. This is manual mode, and this our grading section. You can see here the shrimps is coming down after the grading. I will show you the rulers and the dropping. Yes, now the conveyor 2 is dropping to the ruler, and here our touch panel is, and reading is this, like you can see the touch screen reading. And now the shrimp is dropping on that rulers. You can see very smoothly that is dropping on that. There are different section. You can see the different section that is going for the grade very smoothly, you can see. And the grade is come to 99.99% is accuracy, and this is the capacity for the 2 ton, and depend to the shrimp, this goes to 2.5 ton per hour. This is we installed in Nellore. Today installation is complete already, so just I want to show this the video. You will have some idea. This is the working principle of our fully automatic shrimp grading machine. At the one time you can get a 5 grade from this grading machine. This machine is suitable for grade all type of shrimps. Thank you for support us, choose us. You are the only reason we become popular in India. So please give us this like of support and love. Thank you so much. Bye bye.